What's good, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So today, as you can see on the table, we have a knife, my big unboxing knife that I really love. And I don't know if you guys know what is in here. Maybe you guys have a clue already because of that on the front. Yeah, this is so we had the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which is what I'm filming on right now because obviously I want to see what the quality is like for the 4K footage. But yeah, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip here, and looks amazing. The box kind of reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, I believe, or the S8. No, the S10 Plus. That's the one. The S8 Plus is the one that lifts up from here and like this. But the S10 Plus pushes out, and then you can take the box out. But yeah, anyway, let's unbox this thing and see what's going on. Anyway, let's crack the seals open. Let's see. Boom. Oh, I see that Easy Tiger. She's really trying to slide out. Oh wow, look at that. That looks nice already. Yeah. Anyway, in the front we just have a nice thing saying flip on the front right there. The focus.
Yeah.
Okay. We just have a nice writing on there that says flip, and then on the side we got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip on the side as well, so you know it's a Z Flip. And yeah, that's pretty much everything on the front on the box. And yeah, this is the mirror black model, and it's 256 gigabytes of storage in here as well. And then you have your IME number and all that details and stuff. Doesn't really tell you anything about the phone, like the specs and all that stuff. But anyway, let's see. Let's open it up. Woo-wee! Again, the same design that we always get with Samsung devices. We have all the quick start guide tucked in here for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe out of the way. But yeah, in here. Oh, okay. In here, I was actually not even gonna look in here because I know whatever is in here is the paperwork, the warranty card, and how to use the phone and all that. You got your quick start guide, which is there. And then you got your warranty card and whatever that is. Region block guide. I don't know what that is. But yeah, that's all that's there. And you have a little help to teach you how to transfer your file from your old Samsung to this new Samsung. And then, wow. Okay. It comes in two parts. It comes in two parts. Samsung's actually been generous to actually give us a case with the phone. I mean, I wouldn't know how this would work, but I guess have to figure it out. I mean, yeah, it does tell you a little bit on here on how to put the case on, but that's a nice implement. That's nice. That's alright. I like that. That's a nice implement to it. It's a nice touch. Adding a case on, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, what's this? Feature can change, flip. It just tells you. I don't know what it says. It just tells you some bull craps. But anyway, here's the device. Wow. Care instruction: do not press screen when holding device. Place. Wow. First of all, we were greeted with the device, and obviously, and we got a little bit of information on obviously how to handle the device and stuff like that. It tells you like yeah, how to handle the device and stuff. But yeah, let's pull this boy out. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. It feels exactly like a normal smartphone, but without, when it's not folded. It just feels like a normal smartphone, like a normal big smartphone, that like the S20 Ultra or the S10 Plus or anything like that. It just feels like a normal phone. It's way better than the Fold, because the Fold folds this way and folds this way, then turns into a tablet. I'm like, what's the point? It doesn't look like a phone, it just looks like a tablet. But like this, it's good because it looks exactly like a phone, like the weight, the height, the structure, and also you can just, it's got that foldable factor, that flippable factor, if that makes sense. But yeah, what else do we have in the box? Premier service. Oh wow, they actually have a number you can call in case you have a problem or an issue with the phone. That's pretty damn cool. Then inside we just have a normal stuff we get with the normal phones. But it's quite interesting actually. We have a normal charging brick from the S10 Plus with a USB connector to charge the phone up, which is a little weird. It's a new phone, so I'd expect USB-C like the S20 Ultra, but yeah. Don't know why. But yeah, we got the charging cable here, which is, yep, of course, USB-C, as you can see, USB-C, which is, and then we have a headphone jack. Oh wow. And some earpiece as well, but with a USB-C, because I'm guessing the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack is gone. Yeah, sad times. I actually thought Samsung would never do such a thing, but yeah, clearly they did. And then we got this. What's this? What the? Oh, okay. This is for smart switch. Can you see?
Yeah.
This is for your smart switch to, well, not for your smart switches, to connect pretty much anything to the device, keyboard, mouse, you name it. USB stick, you can connect it. So you just put this into the USB-C, and yeah, pretty cool. Now we move on to the actual device. Right, let's open this bar up. Okay. Whew, whew. Oh my goodness gracious. Literally feels like a normal phone. It's got the nice, wow, I can't complain. It's thin like a smartphone. It looks like a smartphone. It's big like a smartphone. The feel is so damn nice. Let me power this boy up quickly. Wow, and look at the fold factor. Oh wow, look at that. It even comes up with a light there saying Galaxy Z Flip, which is pretty cool. And let's check out the fold. Wow, look at that. So compact. So compact. Oh, wow, it literally feels like I have like a charging, like a, what do you call it, like a charging bank. Literally, that's what it feels like in your pocket. It's pretty damn cool. Literally, open it up. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Tell me that's not awesome. That looks insane. Wow. So I'm just gonna go through the phone real quick. It's all turned on, it's all functioning, everything. But yeah, anyway. So on the side, looking at the phone this way, on the side we have the SIM tray, which is back there. You just need to stab it for the SIM tray to come out. And on the other side, we got the lock button and the volume rocker up and down, which is pretty cool. And then on the bottom, we got the speaker grills, got the mic and the USB port to charge the phone up. And then on the top, we have the top mic as well. And then at the back, we got the camera, two cameras. I'm I'm guessing one is normal focal range and the other is the wide angle as well. And we got this little screen up top. Yep, that tells you the time, tells you notifications, all that good stuff. And also, I just noticed when you close the device, you're greeted with this nice Samsung kind of engraved logo right where bend is for the flip, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, I mean, what can I say? The phone looks absolutely amazing. That's what it looks like. And then you come into it like that. It looks nice, really nice. Literally, you can carry it like this. You can put it in your pocket like this. If you didn't want to fold it up, you can just put it in the pocket like that, and literally just have the phone open up like it's a normal smartphone, which is pretty cool. But the only thing I don't like about all these folding phones, the flip, the Z Flip, the fold, the only thing is when you open and close it, there's always a crease in the middle, and no one's been able to find or get a way to get rid of that crease. But there's always a crease there. That's the only reason why I don't actually like these phones at all. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice phone, it's a nice concept, it's a nice idea that Samsung's brought in, it's a nice design. Don't get me wrong, it's nice, but yeah, it's just not for me because of the whole crease in the screen, and yeah, and also all the instructions that they tell you before you actually use the phone, and like how to be careful with the phone and stuff. I just want to get a phone out of the box and be like, yeah, sweet, got the phone. Now I'm just gonna mess around with it. I don't have to be careful what I do with the phone to be careful with it, so I don't damage it or nothing like that. But yeah, it's a smart, neat idea, and I like it, and I like the fold. I like how it flips like the 1960s phone, the way they flip and stuff, which is pretty damn cool. Like, hello, what's going on? You close it, like, yes. Now you're like, yes. Now you're not even in the 60s anymore or in the 20th century. You're in the 50th century. Literally, boom, boom. You close the phone, yes. You're like this. You're walking now. You walk in, you're like, everyone's looking at you. They're like, what the hell is this guy doing? You're like, yes, I got a tiny phone. Yes, it's all compact in there. Yes, hello, how you doing? So you okay? You quickly want to open up and read your messages. Boom, yeah, you're typing away. Boom, boom, boom. Close it, all compact. Put it in your bag, into your bum bag, whatever you want. It's all compact. It's all good. The phone's there. Boom. Hello. What are you saying? No, you don't want to answer it like that. Hello. What are you saying? You okay, bro? Okay. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help me out. Also, subscribe, because I know most of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed. So just might as well just do it, because there's great content coming to the video. There's also going to be the new Samsung Galaxy earbuds, the Buds Plus, whatever they call it. It's going to be coming as well. We got the latest things here. We got the iPhone, we got the Samsung. I mean, come on, guys, you don't want to miss out any of the videos I'm posting these days. But yeah, anyway, guys, like I said, if you've enjoyed the video, like the video, subscribe. And yeah, don't forget to share the video. Comment down below, tell me if you like the look of the phone, all that stuff, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.